On that train is the CSX L640. The L640 starts off in Florence, South Carolina, heads south to Sumter, South Carolina, where it terminates. They were long when they come in earlier. Missed them.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 295.8. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 160. End of transmission.
Sure wish I was out here earlier, guys, to see if there was a train coming by when it was snowing earlier. All clear skies now. Brisk wind and very cold, or at least the snow should have been around for tonight, but we did get some snow here earlier. It was snowing throughout the day for consecutive hours. We had flurries and snow showers throughout the day, and to one point today where it actually accumulated a little bit. It was a dusting of snow. All right.